Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll share with you a structure analysis for gold on the 60-minute chart, and we are going to look at also the 4-hour chart. The previous analysis related to this structure was posted 2 days ago, and as I explained, the chances for both movements were equal. We are not going to take in consideration the fundamental perspective, only the structures. And as you can see, after the price broke out from this box here, we can see that declined in a clear way. It reached the first target, created this breakout, and it was showing the possibility for a bigger movement, but we see that the price failed at this point. So what is actually happening? Yesterday we saw gold coming near to the second structure. It was a very strong structure. The lowest point was created during the night hours, 48.42, and now we can see a bounce. What is actually happening in these conditions is that we already had a false breakout at this moment after the price confirmed for several hours that it was going to move down, and later we have this movement inside the zone. So this is showing to us that we have a small impulsive movement, one correction, and the volume that is showing is good so far. So this is indicating for more momentum. The buyers are back in the game again, so the chances are that the price can go up. Given that these structures are very small, in my opinion, I think that gold probably it will rise further to 50.45, which is also one of the main structure parts. From this area we have to be careful. If the volume will rise further, the chances are that it may rise to 5100. This is going to be also one of the strongest zones, because from both these areas we can see one movement that can push gold down. However, we have to see the price reaction near to 5045, and the strongest one will be near to 5110. So this is going to be a bit tricky as movement, because it can test the structure up, can test the structure down, and probably later it can make a more aggressive bounce. So this is a possible scenario. However, it can be possible that the price can break through this area. It can only go up from this zone. What is very important that we have to be very careful and need to understand that both these movements are possible. So from 5100, the chances are equal that it can also make an aggressive bearish wave. So we can see that from the past, from that area we have this movement down, we can see another one, and we can have another one. However, the strength is can be found equal also near to 5045. That is why we have to be careful in this zone. At the moment, the movement looks like it's building more bullish momentum. I don't know if it is going to go down again, but so far this is indicating that gold may rise further. Probably the geopolitical tension can push it up. Probably it may not react to the geopolitical tensions, because we have seen gold only rising for a long time, and also these movements didn't have reasons when they happen. So let's see what is going to happen at this time. For now, the bearish movement finished. We are on the bullish side again. So this is overall for this 60-minute structure analysis. If we are going to move on a 4-hour, we can see that this picture becomes more visible. The 4-hour candles confirm the bearish movement, but it didn't happen. So we can see also that the bullish movement, the candles are still strong and big in this part. So the chances to rise further are higher. However, this is where is found one of the strongest areas that can push the price down if it will manage to break through, or it will push the price down in this zone again. So let's see what is going to happen. Bullish up to 5045, 5110. Until that moment, we have to see what is going to happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.